welcome to Xinhua Live. This is Zhou with Xinhua reporting from Tianjin. October has painted the city in the golden hue of autumn. Amidst high expectations from the global aviation community and wider public, the 7th China Helicopter Exposition is being held here in North China Tianjin municipality. And I'm now in the expo venue, and as you can see behind me, the atmosphere is already vibrant with crowds and excitement filling the air. Okay, so today we will explore a fascinating lineup of helicopters and also explore one of the hottest topics in the industry, the low-altitude economy. Without further ado, let's welcome our guest today, Ms. Miao Ruiqing. So please introduce yourself to our audience.
Hi, I'm Ruiqing Miao, and I'm the president of Asia Pacific from ABE, one of the organizers of this China Helicopter Exposition.
Okay, so now we are at the heart of the helicopter pavilion.
Yeah.
So please give us an overview of the exhibition.
Okay, this exhibition started in 2011, and now this year is the 7th edition, and it's been increased a lot. And today it's the second largest helicopter show in the world, and it's the only exhibition with the helicopter exhibition with the flight demonstration in the world.
Okay, so this year, what's the highlight of the exhibition area here at the helicopter pavilion?
Oh, the helicopter pavilion this year, we had a lot more new helicopters. For instance, here we have Leonardo. Leonardo is one of the largest helicopter manufacturers, and it's an Italian company.
Okay.
And the company was built up in 1948, and they in China becomes one of their largest market, and they've been in China for many years now.
Okay, so as I learned that many manufacturers have bring a lot of exhibits, and some of them are making the debut at China Helicopter Expo, right?
Yes, there are a lot of co-productions, joint ventures, or co-productions. For instance, Airbus, they have the A320, that's for commercial aircraft. And in terms of helicopters, they have a joint project with the AVIC helicopters. And here, this helicopters is the first time, it's H145. Here, Airbus is our most important exhibitor. And I would like to introduce you, Joseph. He's the country manager.
Hello.
Welcome.
Hello, Joseph.
Welcome to Airbus.
Okay, so can you briefly introduce yourself to our audience?
Sure. So welcome. So we have for the first time our H145 here in Tianjin Air Show. We are very proud to have bringing this machine to the show for the first time. As you can see, with a beautiful color paint scheme from Stay Grid, SGST has selected this H145 to perform mission in high altitude.
Oh, so how high?
It will be above 3,000 meters. So China has very demanding missions with very high altitude. As well, our machine is equipped with the latest avionics suite we have in our portfolio called the Helionics. And it's a baseline on all our products from the 135, 145, 160 and 175. So our helicopter pilots and our customers can benefit from the latest technology we have in our product.
Wow. So what's your expectation for this year's expo?
So we expect to have more people to visit our booth, and we already are very happy with a new trend we see in China about low altitude economy. We see a real dynamic on the market, and definitely the H145 is an answer to this demand, because the machine is already the most popular in the world, and we are happy to bring it to China.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Joseph.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So what's more about the exhibitors?
Yeah, here is we come to Safran. Safran is one of the motor makers in the world. In the whole world, the companies would make large motors. There are Safran, Pratt Whitney, Honeywell, and GE. That's big motors. And Safran is one of the leaders. I would say the most important ones. And they provide the motors to helicopters made in China. For instance, they provide the engines to helicopters made by avic helicopters. And they all, of course, Airbus, Bell can be their clients too. And Safran, they attend to the exhibition from the first year, 2011, and it's our very faithful exhibitor.
Wow. So also over there we see another major manufacturer.
Yeah, well, we come to Hutchinson. I will bring you here because Hutchinson, it's their company. They have multiple activities, products. They're in automotive, defense, aerospace, MRO, and they are in China for many, many years. And they have their production sites in China, I think in different cities. That's why I would like to bring you here, and I would like the country manager to make a short presentation about their company.
Thank you to visit Hutchinson. Hutchinson is a subsidiary of Total Energies. We are owning about 40,000 people in the world, and in 2024, our revenue is around 5 billion euros. So we are a very large parts and material supplier. Right now in China, we are having almost 4,000 people. We are providing various products for automobile industry and aerospace.
Okay. So how many times have you been here at the China Helicopter Expo?
We have joined this for many times since the first helicopter show.
So that's 7 consecutive editions, right?
Correct.
Okay, so why do you attach such an importance to the Chinese market?
As everybody knows and aware that China market is the largest and a great potential in the future, and we have a long history working with avic companies and other local silver companies. So we want to continue that to extend and our collaboration with the local supplier to explore that experience.
So can you briefly introduce what kind of exhibits have you brought this time?
Yes, we had all the small detail things, but mainly we have provided some helicopter related parts, also some detailed materials, and we have some potential discussions with our customers. So quite a lot to show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Okay, just now we've witnessed the impressive development of the industry's manufacturing here at the Helicopter Pavilion. And next we're going to explore a very trendy pavilion, one that's charting the commercial future of the sky, that is the low altitude economy. So Mrs. Miao, I know this year we've set another expanded area for low altitude economy. So why is that?
Okay, since beginning of last century, the sky been open to commercial aircraft, military airlines, and now the new air coming in. So coming into the new class of vehicle, drones, and eVTOLs. So I would like to show you the new hall of this year's exhibition.
Okay, let's go explore it.
Okay.
So the next one, I would like to introduce you one of the star companies in drone manufacturing, which is called the
Flightwing.
Yeah,
Flightwing.
exactly, Flightwing.
Okay, so they are manufacturers of drones, right?
Yes, and very large scale ones. And here, I think that's their star production, and this lady she will introduce it.
Okay, 你好。
好，欢迎光临我们的展位。
那可以给我们简单介绍一下这一次咱们带来的明星产品是什么吗？
好呀，没有问题。我身后的这款产品叫做 FWH1500，目前来说是我们公司的明星产品，它的销量是最好的。
Yeah, the drone behind us is the best and the star production, the product, sorry, which is called 1,500.
1,500. Okay. So you are more professional. You will be the interpreter. Okay.
Yeah.
请继续给我们介绍它有什么样的这个特殊之处。
好，它可以解决我们物流的瓶颈，也可以在应急方面提升我们的效率。
Yeah, it's more for transportation, also for rescue.
它可以挂载，比如说像灭火弹这样的载荷，以及应急救援的医疗救援的一个应急箱，还有我们的物资箱。
It can carry, for rescue, it can carry the large-scale suitcase for rescuing. And also you can say that under it, that's the, I think,
It's a
military...
extinguishing bomb.
Yeah, extinguish bomb.
Yes. 还有就是呢，它目前来说已经实现了1万个小时的飞行的小时数，以及它在20多个场景有了实实在在的应用。
It's been used already in over 20 different scenarios and also flew more than 10,000 hours.
它可以实现在高原像5300米的这个海拔，轻松的起降，最高的升限是6500米。
Wow, it can take off in the high altitude, like over 5,300 meters high, and I think the target was 6,500 meters high altitude.
Above the sea level, so that's a really, a remarkable height.
接下来我再介绍一下我们的明星产品吧，也是目前来说在世界范围内同构型当中的载重最大的一款飞机。
Oh, that's another star product, and this is the largest one in the world.
Let's see, it's past 1,000 kilograms,
对
right?，
它的起飞重量是2.3吨，它的载重是1吨。
Oh, it's 2.3 ton as
Yes.
the weight of the drone, and he can carry over 1,000 kilograms.
OK，它可以载货，也可以载人。那目前来说呢，就是我们可以看到，就是底下它有2个标准的500公斤的货架，所以加起来它的载货的能力是1吨。
Yeah, it's dual usage, can for cargo transportation and passenger transportation.
它也可以装载6个人。
I can, yeah, of course, he can transport 6 people maximum.
So I want to ask, what's the application scenario of this drone? 这个应用场景主要是哪些？
OK，它可以刚才我有讲了，就是它可以载货，所以说，比如说在国内，我们的一些支线和末端的物流，那不管是高山呐、还是海岛啊，以前的传统的陆路运输很难去打破瓶颈的，它都可以去实现和完成。
Yeah, that's the speciality of this drone is it can reach the areas very difficult to reach. For instance, like in the mountain or the seas, right?
还有就是在应急领域，它也可以做到就是挂载更重的物资，因为它有2个版本，另外一个我们没有带到现场来，它是一个吊运版，就是它没有这个大肚子，但是它底下可以外挂重型设备。
For emergency rescue, it can carry very heavy goods for saving people.
是的，所以说这款飞机呢，不管是国内还是国外，也受到了这个行业的一个认可以及更多的期待。我相信它会有非常好的销量。
And this one is really appreciated and recognized in the world, not just in China, but the world, universally, worldwide recognitions, and a lot of expectations from the world on this product.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Welcome
you.
our booth.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wow, so inside the pavilion, there are so many local students here. It seems that they are very interested in this pavilion, right?
Yeah, we do that every year. We invite the students to visit and to show them what the industry is, and it will be really helpful for their future orientation of their career.
Okay, so what is the thinking of setting this new pavilion for low altitude economy?
Because the low altitude aircraft in China is becoming really important. So we want to push this industry and make it, particularly in Tianjin area, and we wanted to include in one of the major industries.
So, low altitude economy, it sounds a little bit broad. So can you list like some specific industries or sectors related to this term?
The low altitude we call aircraft or vehicle. It's going to be very close to our daily life. For instance, for transportation, we will call them mobility. In the future, we may replace cars to reduce the burden of transportation in the big cities. That's a real issue. And secondly is to go for rescue. It can replace helicopters for transportations for some small goods or large goods. And because it's not, there's no pilot, so in some dangerous situation, it can save people without risking another human being's life. And also, it's for mobility side, it's smaller. It can go anywhere you want to. It's easy to control.
You have described a really, magnificent tapestry for this industry. But as for the whole, aviation industry, low altitude economy is still an emergent part, right? So how do you see the momentum of its development?
It's an emerging industry in the whole world. A lot of products still under research and certification as well. But in China, we are very much in the advance on this part. So now we come to Vision Aero, and you can say that their aircraft, the vehicle, is already very mature.
And for me, it's so, futuristic.
Yes. So, and I think this the expert of this company will make a much better presentation on their products.
Okay. Hello. So please briefly introduce yourself to our audience, please.
Hi, this is Stanley from Vision Aero.
And just now I told Mrs. Miao, I said this product is so futuristic.
This is our star product, Victor 5. And Victor 5 is the first 7-seat, 3-ton commercial purpose use eVTOL. And for urban air mobility, cargo and medical emergency medical service.
And also, the shape, it's like coming from the future, right? So can you tell us more about the thinking behind the design?
Yeah, because the main purpose for emergency medical service, it has a large cabin. And it can the aircraft is 9.4 meters long, and the cabin inside is around 3 to 4 meters, and it can accommodate 2.3 medical structure, and with multiple medical devices and equipment. And the maximum payload is around 700 kilograms. It could fit 7 grown men and with their baggage.
So have you made any deals here at the expo?
Yeah. We just have a signing ceremony yesterday at the meeting room.
Oh, okay. So you feel really good attending this China Helicopter Expo. So how do you feel about this platform?
This platform is really good, and this is like the first time the eVTOL to show up at the Helicopter Expo, and it shows the whole industry began to accept eVTOL, began to accept the new product.
Thank you very much. Have a nice time.
Thank you.
China Helicopter Exposition, it's been the 7th time. And this year we had a new exhibition hall for the whole low altitude aircraft. In 2 years, then the exhibition will come back to Tianjin again. And we hope that this hall will be doubled in terms of size and in terms of number of exhibitors. And for Helicopter Pavilion, we wish to have some new exhibitors with new products and with new technologies. And this exhibition is becoming one of the most important vertical aircraft exhibitions in the world.
Well, thank you for all the insights.
It's my pleasure. Thank you very much.
And now we will have something more thrilling. Let's move outside for the helicopter performance.
各位观众，我们看到直升机已经稳定悬停， 消防水炮开始喷水，喷射的距离非常远。这款消防水炮可以稳定喷射30米的距离，且可持续喷水2分钟左右。AC311A 直升机加装消防水炮是应用于特定场景，比如城市高楼层灭火、地面消防车云梯高度不够等。无人机消防水炮压力过小，难以完成高楼层的灭火动作。现在 AC311A 直升机完成喷水表演，向北增速。直升机完成了一个非常流畅的8字机动飞行后，再次来到观众面前。我们看到直升机下方的水箱打开了，水箱里面的水可全部洒出。这个洒水动作展示了直升机消防作业的另一个功能，可以直接对地面小块火源实现洒水灭火作业。接下来我们看到 AC311A 直升机再次进行8字机动。直升机即将进行机动表演动作。在稳定悬停后，首先进行悬停回转动作。我们看到直升机进行左右侧飞机动表演。我们看到，现在直升机进行转向，准备开始前后 非机动动作。这一套动作首先展示了直升机相较于其他航空器的最大优势，可以多项机动飞行。下面，请大家向左前方观看，即将为大家表演的是大型水陆两栖飞机 AJ600M 昆仑。鲲可化羽垂天，团风9万；龙可振凌横海，击水3000。AJ600M 飞机和大型运输机120、大型客机 C919并称为国产大飞机3剑客。是我国自主研制的大型灭火、水上救援、水陆两栖飞机，也是全国起飞重量最大的民用水陆两栖飞机。本次是 AJ600M 飞机首次亮相天津世博会。今天执行任务的机组常年战斗在民航型号科研试飞一线。他们是首席试飞机长陈明、副驾驶徐雷。